Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare Fante Fante. Fante Fante is a classic fisherman's stew that originated from the central region of Ghana. This is made by cooking fresh fish in tomato sauce with some palm oil, simmered into a delicious dish. Cape Coast, a coastal city and the capital of central region of Ghana, is where the stew gained its popularity before spreading far and wide throughout the country. The stew is prepared by fishermen on their canoes or right upon returning from fishing to enjoy with their families. Fante Fante is enjoyed or paired with etso. Munion poche wetsoa. Inibia kokabi ai. This recipe is actually pushing me to speak Fante today. Yes, today is going to be a combination of English and Fante. Right, guys, so let's start through the ingredients and get started. Here I have some red fish, nicely cleaned and washed. You can use any fish that you have available. Fresh tomatoes, some onions, some garlic. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt to taste. I am using petit bell peppers, bakboshitso. Use any chilies that you have available. I'm also using some ginger and some shrimp powder for that twist. I'm also using some sliced onions and palm oil. So let's get into it, all right? So in my wok or pan or saucepan, pot, whatever you call it, I will add my palm oil. Make sure the oil melts and is hot enough before adding your sliced onions. I will give this a good stir. Leave this for about 2 minutes. So while my oil is on the fire doing its own thing, I'll go ahead and blend my vegetables. Hey! I'm not sure. Right, so I'm adding all my vegetables. I'm putting all my vegetables in my blender and blend this into a smooth paste. Well, at this point, I'll go ahead and then pour my blended veggies into my palm oil. I'll then give this a good stir. Leave this to simmer for about 10 minutes. Right, so after 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my salt to my sauce. Give this a good stir and then add my shrimp powder. Give this a good stir and leave this to simmer for about 5 minutes. When preparing Fante Fante, lower your heat. Use the lowest setting, okay? Yes, so at this point, I'll go ahead and add my fish. Bae, it's by now a failed me. Wow, sure. On your fair, why you feel, Papa? Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, at this point, I will leave this on a low heat for about 15 minutes. here we go. After 15 minutes, look at that. My Fante Fante is ready. You know what I like most about Fante Fante? It's all natural ingredient. Okay? It's all natural. There isn't anything like Maggi cube, like vegetable seasoning. No, no, no. At this point, my Fante Fante is ready. But unfortunately, I don't have it. So, minyetsu mean to market so, but I have boom boom. So I will pair my Fante Fante today with some banku who is coming to join me. Anklo, my pocho, fancy fansome abin. White sour fabra dizzy. Aye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.